Yeah, for number 37, your classwork for quadratic equations asks you to graph the following quadratic. So we have quite a large function. We have 6x squared plus 30x plus 36. So first I'm going to go ahead and find the vertex here. So the vertex occurs at negative b over 2a, which is negative 30 over 2 times 6, which is negative 30 over 12. We can simplify that. Dividing by 6, we have negative 5 over 2. So if I start making my graph over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My vertex will occur at negative 5 over 2, so that's a negative 2 and 1/2, which is right here. So this is going to be also our axis of symmetry, because the vertex occurs at the axis of symmetry. So the y value of this point is y equals 6 times negative 5 over 2 squared plus 30 times 5 over 2 plus 36. So we have 6 times 25 over 4 plus 150 over 2 plus 36. And then we'll have 150 over 4 plus, oops, I forgot a negative in here. So that's a negative 5 over 2. So that means this is a negative 150 over 2. So we have negative 150 over 2 plus 36. And so we'll have let's also multiply this 36 by 4 over 4. So we'll have plus a 144 over 4. And so we'll get, also multiplying this by 2 over 2, this will become negative 300 over 4. And so we have negative 150 plus 144 over 4. So that's negative 6 over 4, which is negative 3 over 2. So our vertex occurs at negative 5 over 2 and negative 3 over 2, which is right here. And if we plug in a number very close to it, like let's say x equals negative 2 right here. So if we make a table of values for this, we have x and y, and we plug in x equals negative 2, then we would have 6 times negative 2 squared plus 30 times negative 2 plus 36. So we'd have 2 squared, 4 times 6 is equal to 24, minus 60 plus 36. So this will be actually it'll be equal to 0, right? Because 24 plus 36 is 60, minus 60 is 0. So x equals negative 2. We have 1 x-intercept. And so on the symmetric side, right, at x equals negative 3, we'll also have another x-intercept. And if we go to x equals negative 1, let's solve again. So we have y equals 6 times negative 1 squared plus 30 times negative 1 plus 36, which is 6 minus 30 plus 36. So it'll be 12. And so already we see that this is shooting up very high. So this is almost out here. And so our parabola will be very squished, so it'll look something like this.